ChatGPT 5 is free for everyone and I'm having access to it, so let me chat with it for you to see. So I'm going to say hi ChatGPT 5, and as you can see, ChatGPT 5 has responded that hello, ChatGPT 5 is here, how can I help you today? So let me show you how you can get access to it for totally free. Just go to Google, and then from Google search, come and type in OpenAI and then hit enter. Once it comes, come and select the official site of OpenAI. Click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the platform. Scroll down and then come here to ChatGPT 5. Click on it, it's going to bring you here to introducing you to ChatGPT 5. That is the latest model. Scroll down and then it's going to take you to how to use ChatGPT 5. And what you have to know is that by default, ChatGPT 5 has been replaced the ChatGPT 4.0. So if you are using the 4.0, you are now using the ChatGPT 5 by default. So all that you have to do is to simply switch your ChatGPT to that of ChatGPT 4.0. To do that, go to the login and then come and select ChatGPT and click on it. It's going to bring you right here. Simply come here to the ChatGPT, come and click on it and make sure that this ChatGPT is selected by default. And then if it is selected, you can simply come and then ask, please, what type of ChatGPT am I using? And then simply come and then hit on the submit button, and you will see that it will show that you are using ChatGPT 4.0. So if you are using it, simply you are now using the ChatGPT 5, and that is it. You can start using ChatGPT 5 for totally free.